Guys, let's welcome Hiten for his presentation. So can you clap for him? Clap means clap in chat window. Okay. Clap in chat window. Or guys, if you are comfortable, you can switch on your videos. If it is comfortable, you can switch on your videos. Everyone. Yeah. Yes, Hiten, rock it. Start.
Shall I start, sir?
Yeah, start. Action. Ready.
Hello, everyone. I am Hiten Jain, 5th class, Nagarjuna Smart School, and I am 10 years old. I live in Kadapa. I love, now I am saying about my passion and achievement.
Very
I
good.
love skating and skate a lot in my free time. And I am going to badminton classes since 2 years and I am enjoying a lot. I even love cycling and I am a pro cycler. And I'm even good at drawing and I got many prizes in competitions. And I'm a good at swimming and taekwondo also. During this pandemic in lockdown, I have done number of science projects and I even got selected in competitions up to zonal level.
Great.
This is my first project which I reached up to zonal level. This is my template. My goal. My goal is to become an IITian from Mumbai. I can also become a scientist because I am very much interested in doing project work. Now I am saying about coding. Coding is really simple, logical, and very interesting. I started communicating with computers and I gained a lot of knowledge. Do you know? This is my first presentation. These days, everything is dependent on coding. In each and every field, coding is very important. And I have heard that in computer science, everything is dependent on coding. So these coding classes are really going to benefit me a lot in future when I will be do my engineering in IIT. Thank you.
Great, guys, congratulations. Really have done very well. Hiten,
Thank you, sir.
congratulations, really very well. And you said this point, na? I started communicating with computers. Really, that's the awesome point and it has impressed me a lot.
Thank you, sir.
And I didn't expected that you will be doing to this level. Guys, everyone just say how is his performance. You just please confirm how Hiten Jain has performed, guys, in your own words.
Sir.
He has done really very well, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So guys, now I'll ask you some question. From his presentation, how many marks you will give out of 25? Like his presentation, from 25 marks, how many marks you'll give? Just
I'll give him 26, sir.
26. No, 26 is not there. Okay.
Then 25, sir.
25. And what is his delivery part, the way he is dealing?
25 out of 25, sir.
Very good, very good. I think he is your friend, so you are giving full marks to him.
No,
So
sir.
Hiten Jain, really very nice. Now the turn goes to Pranay Jain. Pranay Jain, Samarth is saying that he loved his slides. So you got already one comment, Hiten. Very good. So Pranay, rock it. Pranay, rock it now.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Okay. Sir,
Yeah,
can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you, but I can't see you. But still you can start, no problem.
Hi, my name is Pranay Jain. I am 10 years old. I am in 5th class. I study at Nagarjuna Smart School. I live in Kadpa. My goal is to become a space scientist. Achievements to make first one to make a lot of rockets. Second one to write many books on space. How coding will help your career. How it will help me to direct the machines using computer to build the parts of rockets. So it would help me to build the rockets. And coding is really important because in is rocket science or space science, they use uh, they use mostly technology, and technology is based on computers. So we need to learn coding so we can communicate with computers and build a lot of cool stuff, sir.
Very
Thank
good,
you.
very good. Guys, from his presentation, it will help me to direct the machines. I think that is the awesome point, guys. Using computers to build parts of the rocket. And he said that rocket is based upon technology and technology is run by computers. Guys, everyone just comment below, like, see, he's just a very small boy, 10 years old. He couldn't work on the presentation part, but guys, still we can appreciate the confidence level. And he said that he wants to build a rocket and he wants to write books on space scientists. Really, it's very nice. Really, it's very nice. Congratulations, Pranay.
And I even wrote a book right now, sir.
Very good. Can you show us to us? Can you show us that book? Can you show us that book?
I can't show it, sir, but I would send it, sir.
No, can you show now? Can you show now?
Yeah, it's up, sir.
It's not there? Fine, no problem. Pranay Jain, very good, very nice. Next, who is coming? Pranay, we have done with Pranay. Next, who is coming? Samar Jain, can you come? Yeah, please come on.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Yeah, please, you can go on.
Okay, sir. Hello everyone, I'm Ashrita and I'm 18. I'm just completed my intermediate. I'm pursuing degree first year BBA and in Aditya Degree College. My city is Rajahmundry. I live in Rajahmundry. My goal is to complete MBA and achieve a good job. So how will coding help our career? First of all, what is coding? It is a method of communicating with a computer. Like we can learn languages like C, C++, Java, HTML. By using those, we can communicate with computers. They cannot understand a human language. They understand some specific language like binary and all. So by learning these languages and coding, we can communicate with computers. It allows us to create many software programs, websites, apps, video games, and many more. And how is coding very useful in MBA? Like here, MBA is nothing but about marketing. It is all about marketing, or you can say establishing a business. And here, even business needs some coding, because to promote our business or to promote our targets, achievements, products to the people in the society, we need to build up some advertisements, and which helps us. These advertisements will be built according to coding. I mean, by the use of coding. There are many codes like Python, SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and there are many more web designs and developments for creating a websites, programs, and all. This helps us to create new apps for our management and all. Thank you.
Very good. Asrita, the best point from your presentation is you have really neatly presented the subject. Guys, How is the subject presentation? She has explained each and every concept very neatly and deeply, and she really connected like how coding is going to help her in MBA. Very informative. Like Snehal Jain has given, she has used the correct word. Very informative. Very nice. Very nice. Now, who is going to come forward, guys? Who is
Sir.
coming forward now?
Sir.
Yeah, please carry on. And guys, when you are sharing your presentation, then see that you can switch on your cam actually, so that people can see you. Okay, guys, people wants to see you, so you can switch on your cam. Yeah.
Switch on your cam anta.
Yes, sir.
Sir చెప్పింది విను.
Hello, I'm Nihal. I'm studying 9th class, but I'm learning coding. Now I'm living in Guntur. My native is Rajahmundry. I'm studying in Basham Bloom School. Before going to coding, first you can know my achievements. I learned roller skating and selected for state level, and got runner-up in for my team. And also learned coding keyboards from first class, and I also completed 2 grade exams in Trinity. Before going to why coding is important for our career, we can know why coding is important for kids. See, how we are communicating with teacher and student and parent and his son. Like that, we can communicate with computers and laptops with the help of coding. It helps to increase concentration. We can take example like there is a math sum. Some members will do in only one way, but some members will do in many other ways. That is concentration level and patience. Means they will think. By the same way, coding helps us to increase our thinking capability and concentration. As my goal is doctor, all will think that why a doctor should learn coding, what is importance for him, why he should learn. Now the present situation, some robots are performing some operations. Those operations are in that the robots, the coding system is there. That program is written by a coder in which the activities are told by a doctor. Like that, a doctor can learn coding for improving his healthcare and clinical competence, means to improve his clinical successfully, and for his better development and for creation of technology. By this we can the coding is also important for doctors. You all will think that's right and wrong. That's why coding is also important for doctors. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Sai Nehal, the best part in your presentation is the way you are moving from one slide to another slide. Slide transition, what we call in PowerPoint. And you have nicely presented the slide transition. Sai Nehal, very good. Really, I appreciate that. Means you have used the PowerPoint to the maximum extent. And the second point, what I like is you connected coding with the academic and how coding is going to help children. And you have said that why kids should learn coding. That is the best part. I liked it. And one more thing is, you said that how coding is important for doctors. And I believe you have done some research work on that. You not simply said that. Am I right, Sai Nehal?
Yes, sir, so much.
You tell me how much time you have spent to just prepare this small 5 minutes presentation.
4 to 5 days, I think, sir, for finding doctors.
Very good, very good, very good. So really, I appreciate for connecting coding to your goal. And when it comes to that concept, you have really presented the best way actually. Welcome, Anjan. Anjan. And now who is going to present? Snehal, you can go, no problem. After that, now you can go, Snehal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And after that, who will go after that? Get ready. Okay. After that, Prem, and after that, Sad, Samarth, Kaushik. Yes, Snehal, you can go on. Guys, new member, just type in the chat box. Anjan Jain, Divya, Tanisha, are you enjoying this? Are you enjoying this? Just type in the chat box.
Yes.
Very good. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good. So, Snehal, carry on.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. I'm Snehal. And I think you can see what my name does mean. So, we are learning about coding now. Let me explain. This is my introduction. And here we go. So, I think everyone is not good at maths, but let's take my introduction as little funny and let's take it as like questions. So, like I think everyone is not good at math, but I am. So, what's the square root of 3.74?
So, guys, you can just type in the chat box. She's asking some question. So, she's asking some question. 10, I think Prem is saying.
Or it's less simple. Or let's make it simple.
Someone is
Or
saying
let's
14.
make it simple. Okay. Yes, it's 14.
Very good.
If
When she is
someone
conveying that,
hard, let's
she's
take it.
very good, very good. Carry on.
Yes, I'm 14 years.
She's 14 years
So,
old.
okay, if that was hard, that's hard. Let's make it as 2 asterisk 7. Like here, what asterisk is used, this part where I'm right now cursing it, it's asterisk. And in our coding language, it is used as the multiplication symbol. So my age is 14. And my qualifications. I am a 10th grader, a dancer, a story writer, a songwriter, and a memo maintainer, and many more. So my school is Sri Prakash Vidya Niketan. And my city. So here are some questions. My friends know where I'm from, but some people are new here, so they don't know. So let's take hints. It has one of the largest ports in India. It has plenty of beaches. The famous is Simhachalam. Can anyone guess?
Guys, can anyone guess where we have beach in Andhra Pradesh? Vizag. Everyone came with the answer.
Yes, it's Vizag.
Very good, very good.
Yes, it's Vizag. Informative actually has beaches. The famous temple in Simhachalam, in Vizag is Simhachalam. And India has the best 30 ports. So where I live is there, like one is there. Next,
Very good.
so here is Vizag. The first is Simhachalam and second is so yes, option is not like from lawyer and doctor. But let's go first. Find yourself. It's a position where no one can question us. We have to find ourselves, the real capability of us. It's just a step of your hard work, but they judge you by your last section. Good. What is
I think Snehal, you got disconnected. You got disconnected because of internet problem. She left. Okay. Till she joins, who is coming next? Who is coming next? Who is coming next? Samarth? She joined? Okay. Snehal, you can continue. I think, Snehal, there is some network problem at your end, I think.
so now?
Yeah, now we can hear. Yeah, please carry on. Please carry on. I think there is some network problem at your end.
Something which gives. Yes, sir. I'm not at my house actually.
Okay. Yeah, you have to
So
share
goal
the
is
screen.
something which gives us.
Screen share. Screen is not shared.
Now, sir?
No, your screen is not shared. Now it's shared. Now we can carry on. Yeah.
Yes, sir. So goal is something where we actually find ourselves and which gives us hope on something. Everyone has a goal in this life, as I have also. Achievements. I have achievements. I actually don't have official achievements still, but I'm a great dancer. And I have got 3 golden medals in dancing by a dance competition in our Vizag. So what's coding? First, like how coding is helpful, we all have to know. So first, let's know about what's coding and how was it invented. Ada Lovelace, the first programming language, was created in 1883. And after that, it was developed or upgraded by Claude Jews. She even understood, Ada Lovelace, she even understood that analytical engine. It is the fully controlled and automatic computer. Computers were designed by Charles Babbage. So the first programmer was Grasshopper. She was the inventor of the Java scripting language as ones and zeros. They were all written for the first time by Grasshopper. Let's see how coding is helpful. Let's see how. It's competitive. It needs teamwork, a scope for the future, different options, creative, breaking and making stuff. It helps the skills of problem or bug solving, creating so many things, error and rearranging, analyzing the bug, presenting skills. Actually, this actually lies on me right now. I don't know how to present. This was the first time I made a PPT, and it is also valid for also. It was fun. It's not studies, it's breaking and joining stuff. Example, like this task. I helped myself to create a PPT presentation like this. Then I researched about it, discovered or explored many things, did some self-work and hard work. So these qualities are very useful and they are actually the very obvious for our future. So it's always useful. It's the basic terms for us to learn. Coding, teamwork, analyzing the problem, creativity, and inserting interest in some point. So do you have any questions? You can ask me.
Super, 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 Snehal. The best thing what I like in your presentation is the way you presented. It's very creative. The way you presented yourself, like your age, the city you live. So from this, I think you can become an anchor. Means I feel at this moment like this, you can become an anchor. And you said about your name like Snehal, Snehal, like you have expanded that. Like when I used to study in my school, I used to say that A for active, T for talented, I for ideal, S for smart, sometimes H for honest, and sometimes H for handsome, and S for smart, and S for silent. Like this I used to do in my school days, and that you reminded me. Really, that has connected me a lot. One more thing is you said you are a dancer. I am also a state-wide dancer, and even I acted in movies also in my childhood, and that has really connected me a lot. And the way you done research on the subject means you gone very deep into that coding, like origin when it is started. And at the last, when you mentioned, like you have been mentored by like Atishar, so I think it gave me a lot of energy by looking at my name on your slide. Actually, really super, and wish you all the best. And you can do well. You can do still more well. You just try to improve it on that. You add some transition between the slides.
Scared, sir.
No, you have done really well. And for every 1 or 2 months, we'll be doing
My
this kind
connection
of
is not
activity.
good.
Yeah, you can improve it.
My connection is not at all good.
Hiten Jain is saying that your English is very fluent. You are very good at English. Super,
Thank you.
super. Everyone is so happy. Guys, now who is coming? Samarth, are you ready? Samarth, you can share the screen.
Yes,
Samarth.
sir.
Very good. Carry on.
So it's
Yeah. Samarth, we can see your screen. Guys, those who are comfortable can switch on the videos. So that I can see you and you can see me. Okay, those who are comfortable, you can switch on your videos. Very good.
Sir, one second, my network is poor.
Okay, so you can disconnect so that next time you can join after Prem Jain. Prem, are you ready? After Prem, Kaushik can. Who is this?
So can I share?
Yeah, you can share. I think Samarth Jain. Let's check. I think he's sharing, or you can share. Samarth Jain. Yeah. Now we can. Prem Jain. Fine. Prem Jain, carry on.
Hello everyone, I am Prem Jain. I'm 14 years old, studying in 10th class, Trips International School from Rajahmundry. So my goal is IIT Bombay. Achievements, I'm yet to achieve anything big, but I'm Sakshi India Spelby winner twice and WIT University Spelby bronze medalist. So how will coding help me get into IIT? IIT requires at least a basic knowledge of coding. The top MNC companies first look for at least a good programmers. And even if we are not that good at coding, we can even start some startup companies like Zomato, Swiggy. If we do not even get a good job, if we have a good programming knowledge, we can get some startup companies. So coding first, generally it helps in visualization, it helps in good thinking. It even improves our math. We try to see everything in a coding way. So we can get into IIT by learning many programming languages like Java, C, C++. It requires a lot of logical thinking. We can learn how to tackle errors in complex problems by breaking them down into smaller problems, which is also known as decomposition. If you never become a professional computer programmer or software engineer, they will benefit from learning to think this way. We can always think in a logical manner when we start coding. Thank you.
Very good, Prem Jain. Guys, Prem Jain is a Sakshi India Spelby winner twice. I think he has prepared for some thousands of spellings. So 2 times he got state award, and I think Vic. One more thing you said, your Prem, like one more achievement. What is that? Like WIT University. I think he.
It's spelling, sir. That is also.
Yeah, that is also from Spelby, and the way he has written now, while succeed, something, the while loop in his presentation.
While not success, try again.
Success,
if
try
dead,
again.
break.
Very good. So that is really so nice. That has really connected me. And the way he said about the startups, how coding will help us to get into startups, that's really so nice. Guys, for a moment, everyone, can you switch on your cameras so that we'll have one selfie everyone wants, and we have one selfie king in our community, and that is Sai Nehal. He is good at selfie taking. He'll take not selfie actually. He'll capture actually. He's expert in capturing. So Sai Nehal, he can capture it. And yeah, everyone, please switch on your cameras just for a moment. And guys, everyone, just for a moment. And if you are comfortable, you can just keep on switching on. And Sai Nehal, when everyone's camera is on, then you can just capture it.
Sir, can I?
Yeah, you can capture it. No problem.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Done? Any new pose you want? Like new pose you want, something like this.
That's
Guys, thank you so much. Now who is Prem Jain? Very nice. Nicely have presented
Sir, I will tell
the
now.
concepts. You will tell. Very good. Please carry on.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Samad Jain, and I'm in class 8. School Future Kids School. I live in Rajahmundry, sir, Andhra Pradesh. And my goal is to make apps for my government and make my country proud. And I want to make new games for kids by which they can enjoy and learn. And my achievement are I learned JavaScript, C programming language, and HTML and CSS under your guidance, sir. And now I will tell what is coding. Coding is something which helps a person to get more fame. It helps a person in building his own career and getting a good impression among the people. And due to coding, a person can make his country proud. In short, coding is a process to make a person better both in his behavior and in the terms of monetary values. Coding contains many languages like JavaScript, CS, Python and Java, etc. And Python is a trending language now. Now let's see the difference between a child with coding without learning coding. Child learning coding will have a logical brain by which he or she can decode and task easily. And second point, child learning coding will have a bright future ahead. And third point, kids will be matured and their thinking will be faster and sharp. And fourth point, coding will help kids in their academics also. And fifth point, coding always helps in increasing the fame of its own country. Okay? And now I will tell you child without learning coding. A child without knowing coding is like a boat without an oar. And second point, a child without learning coding will not have good opportunity in his or her career options. A child who don't know coding can have a very clumsy and confused brain, can also affect his or her academics. A child not knowing coding might have a dull and unimaginative brain, which again affects the studies. A child will not have a digital brain and will not be able to understand the digital future world. And I need to tell one, will learn coding, they can increase their country's economic also. Now I will tell how coding helped me, and now I will tell how coding helped me in my career, in my class. Coding helped me in my academics, which made my grades better. Coding improved me a lot in my many areas. Till now, I have learned 4 languages, and I hope I will learn more and more and make you, my parents, sir. I will try my best. And now I want to give advice, small advice to my friends. Coding should be taken seriously as it is a vast subject. Also helps us to find many career options. And such opportunity, and I have gave my maximum time to coding under Atish sir guidance. Thank you everybody for listening my speech. Thank you, sir.
Guys, mind-blowing. 8th class student is speaking about making country proud. Guys, just tell me in the chat box like how you felt. 8th class student speaking about making the country proud. Really super. One more thing, he has given some difference between like children with coding and children without coding. Awesome. And next he said something like how coding has helped him to build his academics strong actually. And finally he has given suggestion actually. Oh my God, really very nice. Super. Guys, just confirm in the chat box like what you feel by looking at this presentation. I am really felt so nice, guys. That's very nice, very nice. So guys, have you seen a lot of new angles are coming out? Instead of I speak every day, at least for every 2 months, I should give chance to you guys so that you can bring something new out of yourself. And I'll be doing this activity for every 2 months. Okay. Very nice. Keep it up. Aryan, you can share your screen.
Excuse me, sir. I want to tell you.
Yeah, tell me.
In
Yeah,
this,
please.
in this my full presentation, actually I wrote full and I gave all effects, sir. At last, I showed to my sister. She have helped me in grammar, sir.
Very
in
good,
English.
very good. But very nice. It's very nicely presented and you have drafted well actually. Aryan, carry on.
Sir.
Guys, let's welcome Aryan. He is also one of the excellent student in our community.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. This is the PowerPoint presentation about myself and coding. So, my name is DRSS Aryan. He is 13 years. I am studying in 8th standard in Little Paddy School in Rajahmundry. My achievements are distinction in 6th and 7th standard, participated in basketball tournaments, completed C language and Python courses from AH Career. My goal is to become a software engineer. How coding helps me. Effective use of tools, finding creative solutions, transcend limitations of peers, adopting innovative ideas. How coding helps children. Coding is a basic literacy in the digital age, and it is important for kids to understand the technology around them. Having children learning coding at young age prepares them for future. Coding helps the children with communication, math, writing, and confidence. Thank you, Atish James, sir. His teaching was really very great. His method of teaching and techniques were really amazing. Thank you.
Very good, Aryan. The slide transition, you have added some sound effect.
Yes,
Is it clear? That's very nice. Guys, have you seen the innovative thought? Like when the slide is transitioning from one slide to another slide, he has added some sounds. That's very nice actually. And the way he explained that how coding helps him, very nice. Short and sweet. Prem Jain is giving and compliment to you that short and sweet. Very nice, very nice. Kaushik, I think Sub Jain and Kaushik is left. Shabd, you can share now, and after that Kaushik. And still anyone is there? Guys, you can just remind me.
Sir, can you confirm if everyone can see the screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen. Very nice.
Good evening, everyone.
Yeah.
This is Shabjin, and I'm currently studying in Standard 9, situated at Rajmahendravaram, Andhra Pradesh. Moving on to the next topic. I aspire to become a game developer, and my mentor is Shuntaro Furukawa, who is the CEO of Nintendo Company, the world's third largest gaming company situated at Kyoto, Japan. Why I chose coding? I chose coding because I wanted to learn something new, something that gives knowledge. I learned that coding teaches one to build websites, applications, and game development. This motivated me to learn coding so that I can create a better space for my ideas. I think everybody should learn how to program a computer because it teaches you how to think. What does coding require? What is the requirement of coding? We are looking at a society increasingly dependent on machines, yet decreasingly capable of making or even using them effectively. I believe coding is fundamental to literacy in the future. Coding is like writing, and we live in a time of new industrial revolution. How I learned about coding? I learned about coding from advertisements and my friends. I learned about coding because I want to adapt with this ambitious goal. I want to learn coding because I want to create fascinating games in contrast to the exertion gaming. Thank you.
Oh my God. Oh my God, Subjay, your vocabulary is mind blowing actually. Very nice. Your communication is awesome. Awesome. Like everyone is saying that your communication is awesome. Can you switch on your camera if you're comfortable, Subjay?
Yes, sir.
It's very nice. Your communication skills awesome, and you look at this as a gamer only now. I can see you as a gamer, and you are very nicely. First thing, your slides are so neat, clean. Actually, simple. Your slides are so simple that really made me attracted towards that. And then you have explained like how coding is going to help gaming. And one more thing you said about your dream Japan company, you said some name, I can't,
Nintendo.
it's very difficult for me to pronunciation, but at this age you have that target in your mind. It's very nice. And in our community, we have gaming related, like in our course, we have some gaming related topic also. I think that will really help you. And once after completion of this course, we have some other advanced level courses I'll be guiding you. There you can work on the gaming level. Subject, very nice. Everyone just share your love and affection towards him, like how he presented. Very nice, very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Kaushik.
Sir.
Yeah.
It was just cool, sir.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Kaushik. My age is 18. My qualification is BTech first year CSE department and college is Indian Institute of Technology, Raichur. My city is Rajahmundry, Andhra Pradesh. My goal is to become a best software developer and my achievements are made 3 main websites and sub websites and contributing in IIITR official websites and made few Discord applications like bots and websites or something, and now making a screen recorder for desktop app like for linking the Google and Google Drive. These are my achievements, means like website and the Raichur website and my Discord applications and website. That is. How coding will help you from career. You can make tech changes all your own. Means if you want to change anything, like I am doing the screen sharing app, still no, I didn't saw anything like it is having connection with the Google Drive or something. So I want to make that changes, and we can back up your negotiation ideas with data, and you can make a case from your eyes. You can create a profile that stands out from the rest. Profile is a type of a website making which gives you a lot of money like a bloggers, and we can have a contact like speaking language like engineering teams. It is like coding or contacting with the computers like anything, and we can make a few new applications which will help us and the rest of the world, and we can make money from that, and we can become a CEO or own founder of our company. Thank you, sir.
Kaushik, very nice. Guys, Kaushik is the senior person, like senior student from our community. He recently joined in IIT. So from this, you can just understand that those who are planning for IIT, really he can guide us. Guys, are you understanding me? See, it's not simply about joining a course actually in our community, doing one course. Is it clear? It's not like that. My ambition is to build a community where we can help each other actually. Are you getting my point, what I'm saying? So he is really nicely presented, and in short time, he has built so many websites, so many apps, and I think he is in our community since many months, and he has joined for C programming language. Then after that, he is upgraded for Code Junior program also.
From October onwards.
From October onwards, he is in touch with me, and I wish that he can help all the young generation from our community towards goal of IIT. Yes, Kaushik.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because you are already walking that path, so you need to handhold our members hands and you need to show the right direction to them whenever if they get any doubt.
Yes, sir.
So,
I
guys,
will be available for any time.
thank you so much. And let me tell you one point actually. It's not simply joining one course in our community. Once you are connected with our community, once you join for one course actually, I'll be chasing you for one or the other activity. Are you getting my point? I'll be keep on chasing you. And sometimes when you become a great person, when you start running your own companies or when you get a good job, then I'll invite you to our community as a guest and you have to speak to our community members. Means once you join us, then anyhow, I'll be chasing you to be part of our community.
Yes, sir. Live
So-
example, me see.
Yeah, he's there. So it's not simply you do one course and you leave it. No, we have to be together. And right now we have 50 members in our community, 50, and let's see how we can make it to 500 and 5,000. So once if you have more numbers in our community, then we can help more. Am I right, guys? See, if you are under one roof actually, then there will be good helping with each other actually, isn't it? So I want to build a community of coders. All coding brains will be under one roof and helping each other.
Yes, sir.
Guys, have you seen like Lions Club, Rotary Club?
Yes, sir.
See these clubs. What
Yes,
is the
sir.
objective of these clubs? They help each other, isn't it? Like they do service, that
Yes.
kind of thing. Like this, I want to build a coding community where if some person gets a job or someone starts a startup, then he should employ employees from our community only, those who are looking for jobs. This is how we should be helping with each other. It's not simply doing a course and leaving the community. Guys, do you understand my objective? Do you understand what my objective is? And guys, today everyone really presented well actually. Presented very well. I can't say like who is 1, who is 2, who is 3. Like think everyone is at number 1 position. Will you agree with me, guys? See, when you look at that age, their class, their experience, according to that, if you see, like everyone has really rocked. Everyone has really rocked. Guys, is there anyone left? Is there
No,
anyone
sir.
like everyone has presented? So guys, can you tell me like how many friends, like who invited more number of friends? I think Hiten has invited 4 members. Shall we confirm that?
Ranjana is joined, sir.
Joined? Okay. So Snehal invited 3 friends. Snehal 3 friends. Hiten, how many? Hiten, how many friends you got from your side?
5, sir. 5,
Ashrita, 5. Hiten 5. Really?
Yes, sir.
Great.
Invited 10 friends, but only one visited because
one, yeah.
others are going to some villages to visit their grandmas. So
Okay.
only one.
Week-
She came
weekend
and she left, sir.
celebrations.
Yes, sir.
Weekend celebrations. No
She
problem,
came and she
Ashrita.
left after my presentation, sir.
No problem. We will be doing this for every 2 months. Means every time I'll come with a new topic, new concept. I want to bring the new angle from you. Are you getting my point? What I'm saying? I
Yes,
want
sir.
to bring the new angle from you, and let's show to the world that what you are actually, what you can do. And this is
Yes,
only
sir.
the place where you can share everything, your passion, your hobbies, your achievements. And good guys, today what the best point what I learned from this, everyone is multi-talented. Everyone is having some other achievements actually. Am I right, that guys? Have you seen that? And everyone is having different kinds of goals actually. And that really made me feel so happy. Guys, really thank you so much. And today's man of the match goes to Hiten Jain, isn't it? Today's the man of the match go to Hiten Jain. Can we confirm Hiten Jain as the man of the match? Can we give it to him, or is there anyone to compete with Hiten Jain? Hiten Jain only?
Sir, there is
Yeah.
sir. You
Yeah,
only,
please
sir.
tell.
You only, sir.
Hello? Yeah, tell me, Kaushik.
You only, sir. You only invited these many members
Yeah, no. Like Hiten, he only invited, isn't it? Like 5 members from his side, isn't it?
Yes.
Very good. So Hiten Jain, congratulations. You'll get some special gift from our side. And guys, one more thing, like today everyone has made really awesome presentation. So I don't want to say that number 1, number 2, number 3. Actually, I've decided for 3 gifts only. But as everyone has done well, I'll be giving personalized gifts to each and every member who has contributed for this presentation. So everyone has got first actually. There is no second actually. Everyone has got first. So what I need from your side is, guys, I need your best photograph, which you like the most actually. Are you getting my point? See, there may be some photograph you might be liking most. You send me that photograph to me. Either I have shared one link to you guys yesterday. You can share that photograph to that, or you can share to my WhatsApp group. And don't ask me for the gift immediately. It will take 15 days of time because it will be the personalized one. I'll be giving order to Delhi and it will get prepared in Delhi with your photo, and that will be something unique one.
Sir,
Okay. Yeah.
can I say something? When I was presenting, sir,
Yeah. Tell me.
I was so nervous. My voice was cracking, sir.
No, I think he is the junior person in our community. He and Hiten Jain at the same age, if I'm not wrong. Am I right, guys? 5th standard.
He is a month older than me, sir.
Okay, means almost like same age. But at that age, if you are presenting like this, guys, just tell me. They are already at number 1 position. Am I right? You guys, when you are at that age, I think we have not performed like that. But you guys are already in the number 1 position. Yeah, Hiten, what I'll do is I'll send that link in our group actually. I'll send that link in the group. See, whatever the photo you like the best, is it clear? Whatever the photo you like the best, that will be a lifetime memory for you. It's your logo. That I'll send in our WhatsApp group. You can just link it. If you are unable to upload that, then you can send it in our WhatsApp group. Guys, is there anything to share?
Sir, Miss normal doubt, sir.
Yeah, please tell me.
About that programming course is there, no sir, extra course, one thing. In that you have said that minimum 95 rupees, na sir?
Yeah.
I have used my code, so it is giving minus 1,400, sir.
1,000. Actually, that code we should not use it because that
normally
is
I have
I understood. Okay.
Yes, as I already completed it, I have opened it and I have saw, sir.
No, I have seen that. Just I got that notification. Notification I got just actually regarding that. But
I have sent you photo also, sir, about that.
Photo also, no, like that InstaMojo transaction you have done in that course related. So just now
yes,
I
sir,
got
I
that
have
notification actually. Don't share to that codes to anyone right now for next 24 hours. Okay? That is some promotional activity. We are testing actually the public's mindset actually. Like pay as you wish concept is there, na? So we are doing some trial run on that.
That means I kept 100 rupees, sir, and I used my code, sir, for trial.
Okay,
it given me minus 1,499, sir.
Why? Because your special code is
1,500.
1,500. That's why it won't come. So guys, you can send the photo personally to my WhatsApp number, okay? Or you can upload in the group. I'll give you. So guys, thank you so much for doing very good. And if you want to communicate, if you want to say anything, you can say, or we'll wind up. Everyone has enjoyed? Good? You didn't wasted your time, isn't it? Oh my God, my Saturday is getting wasted. Unnecessarily, sir has pulled. It's not like that, isn't it?
No, sir, my whole week is boring, sir.
Very good. So today you are excited, isn't it? Yeah.
Today,
Very good. Very good.
In pandemic time, because of the code, sir.
Yeah, very nice.
It was awesome.
Everyone got above 90 marks, guys. So I can't share marks to anyone. Everyone got above 90. You have done really well. Guys, thank you so much. Keep working like this.
25.
Out of 100. Out of 100. Like there are 4 parameters actually. I'll tell you like how we validate these presentations. I'll tell you. There are 4 parameters. The first parameter is the presentation. Second parameter is the topic what we have chosen. Third parameter, the way you have presented. Then the fourth parameter is the confidence level. So if you look at these 4 parameters, like almost see, suppose Pranay Jain has got less marks in presentation, but if you see the topic and the presentation, he has gained the highest marks actually, because at that age he is speaking about space scientists, he's speaking about making rockets, and he's saying that how computers are going to help in rockets. That's really, so he has gained good marks. So everyone got above 90 out of 100. Guys, congratulations, you're all awesome. See, when all other people are wasting their time, you guys have learned something new today here. So guys, thank you so much. Bye-bye, take care. And in 15 days, you'll get your gifts at your courier, means at your registered address, whatever the address you have filled in the form. I'll share that address once again.
Sir, someone said me just now, he messaged that he needs to see my book. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
I
now
will
is
show
it
it,
there?
sir.
Okay,
I will
fine.
show it next week, sir.
Next week. So next Friday, Pranay, you get ready with your books. Okay?
I just have one small book, sir. This
No
one.
problem. Next week you can show us. Okay? So guys, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care. Happy weekend. Enjoy. Meet you next Friday. Okay? Bye-bye.